I'll take the B minus. Hey. Damn. You come right in, demanding stack squeezes. Say happy birthday to Ja first. I'm playing. Don't take me serious for real. I got you. Jeff gonna go on a pen rampage. It's so much easier using the pen. I guess I moved it to the side. Thank you for the gift. A little too much. Let me see. I think that's better now. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, I got a question, y'all. We're gonna let it slide, even though she didn't say happy birthday to the biggest. Oh yeah, she didn't. Go ahead and say happy birthday to Ja. I ain't even peeped. I'm slipping up. Yeah, you an OG supporter. Oh, that's right. OG supporter, stand up. Damn, she still didn't even say happy birthday to Ja. That's crazy. Okay, so if I only squeezed one way on a video or a live, which way would y'all want? I guess what I'm asking is which type of squeeze do y'all like the most? Because if y'all watch me, I literally do 4 plus the stack squeezies. Which one? Let's see. So I know my favorite one. Both of them is crazy. I do 4 plus the stack squeezes. This one that I'm doing right now is my favorite one. I do this one. What's the other one? Where's the sponges at? That's the second one I usually do. As long as you ain't swiping the sponge. What's swiping the sponge? Oh, thank you for the support. Damn, I forgot. Oh, this is the third one that I usually do. I have a love-hate relationship for this one. Because some people don't actually squeeze it. You just wipe off the sides. Oh, yeah, that pisses me off. That actually pisses me off. Welcome. I kind of don't see the difference. Oh, there's a big difference. Pressing down 2 sponges together. Yeah, they just go over the top. Like, I don't know, that just does something to me. Like, it actually grinds my gears. I'd be like, bro, if you don't squeeze the damn thing. The twist one, okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. All right, the little Ritziana.